or suppose the numbers are nearer to base. All of you observe. 104 square is equal to how much? 104 square is equal to how much? What is the nearest base of this number? What is the nearest base of this number? That is equal to 100.
100.
What is the difference between 100 and 104? That is equal to 4. Here, 104 is more than 100 or less than 100? More than 100. So here 104 is how much excess than 100? That is equal to 4, right? So just write down 104 plus add the excess to this number. This is the left hand side part. What is the right hand side part? Just to take a square of that number. So what is the answer? 104 plus 4, 108. 4 square is equal to 16. That is the answer. No need to write down 104 into 104. 4 times is 16. 6, 1 carry. 4, 1 times 4. 0, 0, 0. And 4, 0, 1. 6, 1, 8, 0, 1. No need to do like this. Okay. First, you should find out what is the nearest base of that number. And then you need to find out what is the difference between the base and the given number. And then find out whether the given number is less than base or more than base. Suppose that number is more than base, simply add the difference to that number and then take a square of that number. Let us take an example. What is the 107 square? What is the nearest base? That is equal to 100. So 107 plus, here 107 is how much excess than 100? That is equal to 7. Just add 7 to this number and take a square of this number. 107 plus 7 is equal to 114 and 7 square equal to 49, which is required answer. That's it. Very simple format. Is it clear, all of you? One more thing. Suppose what is the 109 square? What is the nearest base? That is equal to 100. What is the difference between base and 109? That is equal to 9. Yet 9 excess than base. That's why you should add the difference to this number. 109 plus 9 and 9 square. What is the 109 plus 9? 118. What is the 9 square? 81. That is answer. Is it clear, all of you? Is it clear, Nana?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now
can you explain it again, sir?
What, Nana?
I came just now. So can you explain it again?
Okay, good. See, suppose 104 square. What is the nearest base of this number? That is equal to 100. What is the difference between base and 104? That is equal to 4. Here 104 is 4 more than the 100, right? Suppose that number is more, just add the difference to that number. So 104 plus 4 and take a square of this number. Okay, so 104 plus 4, that is equal to 108. 4 square is equal to 16. That is the answer. Suppose 107 square. What is the difference? Difference is 7. Yes, 7 excess. That's why just add the difference to this number and take a square of this number. So what happened? 114, 7 square is equal to 49 is the answer. Suppose 109 square is there. What happened? 109 plus 9 and 9 square. 109 plus 9 equal to 118. 9 square is equal to 81. That is the answer. Suppose 1012 square is there. What is the nearest base of this number? That is equal to 1000. What is the difference between 1000 and 1012? That is equal to 12, right? Now, here 1012 plus 12 and 12 square. What is the 1012? 1024. What is the 12 square? That is equal to 144. So that is the required answer. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
One more example. What is 1017 square? What happened? 1017 plus 17, 17 square. Okay, so what happened? This is equal to 1034. And what is the 17 square? That equal to 289. So just add to this number 103689, which is required. Okay, but if you observe, all these are squares. All these are squares. But what about the multiplication? That is the important. Okay, up to here, any doubt, all of you?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, now suppose we move to the multiplication part. The multiplication part. Let us take 102 into 109. 102 into 109. See, 102. What is the difference between base and 102?
2.
2 plus 2. 109. What is the difference?
9.
Plus 9. Okay. Now, answer will be two parts. Left hand side and right hand side. What is the left hand side? Just cross sum. Either 102 plus 9 or 109 plus 2. Whatever it is. Okay. Here, 102 plus 9 or 109 plus 2. What is the right hand side? That is equal just to take a product of these two numbers. Take a product of these two numbers. So 102 plus 9 equal to 111. 29 times 18. That is the answer. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, one more example. Here, what is 107 into 108? What is the 107 plus 7? What is the 108 plus 8? Right? Now, what is the answer? Answer will be two parts. What is the left hand side? Left hand side is you should take either 107 plus 8 or 108 plus 7. Whatever it is, both are same. Okay. Now, 107 plus 8 or 108 plus 7. And what is the right hand side? The product of these two numbers. So that is equal to 7 into 8. Okay. So 107 plus 8 equal to 115. 7, 8 times 56. So that is answer.
Okay.
One more example. Suppose 109 into 104 or 109 into 104. What is the 109 plus 9? What is the 104 plus 4? Now answer will be two parts here. Either 109 plus 4 or 104 plus 9. Whatever it is, both are same. 109 plus 4. And what is the right hand side? The product of these two numbers. Okay. So this is 113. 9 4 times 36, which is required answer. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, suppose the question is 102 into 103. What happened? Here, 102. What happened? What is the difference? Difference is equal to 2. So plus 2. 103. What is the difference? Plus 3. Okay. Now, just cross. So what happened? Either 102 plus 3 or 103 plus 2. Whatever it is, you'll get the same answer. 105. 2 3 times, that is equal to 6. So what is the answer? 1056. Is it correct? No. See, all of you listen carefully. What is the base? Base is equal to 100. How many zeros are there here? 2 zeros. So here also 2 digits must be required. So what should we do? Just to put a 0 before this number. So what happened? 10506 is the answer. Suppose the base is equal to 100. 2 zeros are there. Right hand side 2 digits must be required. Suppose base is 1000. In 1000 3 digits or 3 zeros are there. So the right hand side part must be 3 digits. Suppose base is equal to 10,000. How many zeros are there? 4 zeros. So what about the right hand side part? Must be 4 digits like that. Okay. Suppose another example. What is 1002 into 1003? What happened? 1002 plus 2, 1003 plus 3. Okay. Now, what happened? Plus 3, 1005. This is no doubt. It's very simple. What is the 2, 3 times? That is equal to 6. Okay. Now, what is the base here? Base is equal to 1000. How many zeros are there? 3 zeros. So how many digits must be required? 3 digits. But here, how many digits are there? Only 1 digit. Now, what should we do? Just add 2 zeros before this number. So what is the answer? 1005006, which is required answer. That's it. Suppose one more example. What is 1012 into 1005? Let us do. What is the base? Base equal to 100. So 1012 plus 12, 1005 plus 5. Now, what is the left hand side? 1012 plus 5, 1017. 12 items, that is equal to 60, right? What is the base? Base is equal to 1000. How many zeros are there? 3 zeros. So, how many digits must be required here? 3. How many digits are there? Only 2. Now, what should we do? Just add 0 before that number. So, what is the answer? 1017060, which is required answer. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What about Raj brothers? Is it clear now? Okay. Now, base. Very near to base, right? Now, suppose 111 into 112. What is the answer? 111 plus 11, 112 plus 12. Now, what should you do? Just to take a cross sum. 1, 1, 1 plus 12. This is the left hand side. 11 into 12. This is the right hand side. All of you listen carefully. This is equal to 123 and this is equal to 132, right? What is the base? What is the base? What is the base here?
100.
100. How many zeros are there?
2.
2. How many digits must be required here?
3.
How many digits
2.
must be required? 2. How many digits are there?
3.
Now, what should you do? Just to add the leftmost digit to the previous number. That's it. Whatever the number exists here, just add this number to the previous. So, what is the answer? 12432, which is required answer. That's it. Is it clear?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Suppose next example, 107 into 117. Let us take. What is the 107 plus 7? What is the 117 plus 17? What is the sum 1 to 4? What is the 17? 7 17s. This is equal to 119. What is the base? Base equal to 100. Only 2 digits must be required. But here, how many digits are there? 3 digits. Now, what should we do? Just add this one to this number. So, what is the answer? Answer is 12519, which is required answer. That's it. Okay. Now, I'm going to explain at a glance. 102 into 103. 106 into 108. 109 into 116. Let us go. See, all of you observe here, 102 plus 2, 103 plus 3, right? So cross sum. Okay, what is the cross sum here? 102 plus 3, 105. 2 3 times, that is equal to 6. Okay, now come to this part. 106 plus 6, 108 plus 8. What is the cross sum? 114, and this is equal to 48. And 109 plus 9, 116 plus 16. So what is the sum? 125. What is the 16 9 times? That is equal to 144. Now, all of you observe carefully. What is the base? Base equal to 100. How many zeros are there? 2 zeros. So how many digits must be required for the right hand side? Only 2. Here, how many digits are there? Only 1. What should you do? Just add 0 before this number. So what is the answer? 10506 is the answer. 100 as a base. How many zeros are there? 2 zeros. How many digits must be required? 2 digits. How many digits are there here? 2 digits. So what is the answer? There is no change. Just write down 11448. That's it. Now, 125, 144. What is the base? 100. How many zeros are there? 2 zeros. How many digits are required? 2 digits. Now, what should you do? Just add this one to the previous number. So, what is the answer? 12644, which is required answer. That's it. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Any doubt? You observe carefully. This is equal to 108 plus 14, 122. What is the 8 14 times? That is equal to 14 10 times 140 minus 28. That is equal to 112, right? So just add 1 to this number. 1 2 3 1 2 is the answer. Now, what about this case? This is equal to 125 and this is equal to 156. Just add 1 to this number. 12656 is the answer. Next, 123 plus 5, 128. 23 5 times, that is equal to how much? 115. Just add 5 to this number. 12915 is the answer. And what about this one? 116 plus 7, 123, 16 7 times. Okay, 16 5 times 80 plus 32. That is equal to 112. Just add this one to this number. 12412 is the answer. And 115 plus 10, 125. 15 10 times, that is equal to 150. Now just add 1 to this number. So what is the answer? 12650, which is required answer.